In today's job marketing competition is tough. A clear way to stand out to your future employer is to present yourself in a video form.
Here are a few tips for making a video CV. A video CV is a video that's about 2 minutes long and tells the main points about you with a more personal touch. The CV gives the employer a clear and bold picture of you. A well-planned CV is already half done, so remember to reserve time for it. Pick yourself a calm background and pay attention to the lighting. You should also take into consideration the camera placement and the location of your microphone, so your voice is heard loud and clear. Pay attention to yourself and your overall appearance. Keep your eyes on the camera and don't read straight from the script. Remember to dress properly for the occasion.
To start, tell who you are and which job you are applying for.
What are your strengths and qualifications? If you have any previous work experience, tell only about the essential ones. You don't need to list them all. Tell a little bit about yourself, hobbies, etc.
Express your interest towards the position. What is your motivation to apply for this exact job? Finally, remember to leave your contact information so the employers can reach you.